Right, plumbing just about finished. So that's for the kitchen sink and the dishwasher. That's the gas. That's the hot water service. That's for the gas hot plate, which is going here somewhere. That's the bathroom. It's all the shower stuff. So it's coming along. All the plasters here. Back of the shower. This, got some cutouts for the shower base. That's the shower base in that box. Toilet. And then outside, got a nice new tap. This is the water pump. It's all plumbed in. And this is hot water, gas. So it'll need a PowerPoint out here. And I think we've made plans for one, provisions for one. That's it.